TVS Apache RR310 Limited Edition. A bike that already commands presence. But this edition takes the aura to another level. The looks hypnotize you instantly. That super aggressive front feels ready to go after its prey. Racing ready riding posture. Sitting on beautiful 17-inch alloy rims gives the RR310 its signature sport bike stance. And when you rev that engine, it feels like a big cat ready to pounce. TVS has truly mastered its exhaust note. I mean, it is evident in the end torque as well. Words fall short for this paint scheme. What a beauty. The black body with bronze detailing is a head turner in any crowd. With 180 mm of ground clearance, this machine is built to glide, lean and dominate. Let's rev this beauty and see how hungry it really is for the concrete arena. Apache RR310. The exhaust note, man. You can feel the grunt, the hunger. This bike just wants to get revved hard. As the channel name goes, Hardik Revs. Haha. You can see the punch, the feel this bike has, man. I'm not good at cornering, but I'll try if I can corner, you know. Damn, the power. Oh my God, dude. This bike is just flying, I mean. Now this is a limited edition bike. You will find only on Hardik Revs. The power, the control this bike has. This is 24,000 rupees more than the other variant of the Apache RR310. I really like the paint scheme. This is the best looking bike I think right now in the market. Yes, the 457 does look good, but this bike, I mean, it feels different, looks different. Wow. I mean, I don't have words. Let's see. Let's try some race vibe feels here. Now again, I'm not good at cornering or something like that, but the feel that this bike has, man, superb. Absolutely superb, dude. I mean, Indian-made TVS Apache RR310 is going so ahead. It's looking so good. I have no words. This is a proper performance bike. A single-seater bike. Yes, it has a pillion seat, but if you have a girlfriend who can hold on to you, it's good. Otherwise, a family guy has no use of this bike. I mean, if he's a single guy, he can get the most of this one. Feel the look, the power. I think 310cc is the perfect cc, I think, on Indian roads. Like, it goes 80 to 100 very easily. You don't have to launch it a lot. It has an adequate power. This is the first time I'm reviewing a sports bike, I would say, and I'm just blown away, guys. I'm just blown away. So if you're looking to flaunt this in college, in the gym, outside the gym, you just want to flaunt a bike. If you think Continental GT is a bit more costly, you can go for this one. You can absolutely go for this one. The perfect bike. If you like the video, guys, share with your friends, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you soon.